मध्ये 23A, seventh one. If sin x is equal to cos x, sin x is equal to cos x, sin x is equal to cos x, where x is acute angle, where x is acute angle. Okay. Sin x is equal to cos x, where x is acute angle. Find the value of x. So I will find the value of x. Sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x. My x is my reference angle. So earlier also I have told you, whenever you will get sin and cos, convert that in terms of tan. So what you will get? Yes. So sin x upon cos x is equal to 1. So what is sin upon cos? Sin upon cos is tan. Tan x is equal to 1. Now you tell me tan of which angle is 1? See the trigonometric ratio table 45. Now since tan 45 degree is equal to 1, this will give you x is equal to 45 degree. X is equal to 45 degree. Okay. And check whether this value of x is correct. Because what is x, my dear? X is acute angle, no? Yes, acute angle means less than 90 degree. Acute angle means greater than 0 degree. Acute angle is, yes, greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So x is 45. So x is acute angle. Chalo. Next one, if sec A is equal to cosec A. If sec A is equal to cosec A. If sec A is equal to cosec A, then 8th question. If sec A is equal to cosec A, if sec A is equal to cosec A, write down for your reference. If you know, then no need to write. Okay. If sec A is equal to cosec A and A is greater than or equal to 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree. Less than or equal to 90 degree. See, greater than or equal to means either greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay. Either greater than 0 or equal to 0. Then also we have greater, less than or equal to. Means A is equal to 90 degree, A is less than 90 degree. Now find the value of A. Chalo. So what is sec A? Tell me. Sec A, reciprocal of cos A. Let me write. Sec A is equal to cosec A. So go by the definition. What is sec A? Reciprocal of cos A. 1 upon cos A. Cosec A, 1 upon sin A. Yes. Now simplify this, cross multiply. Cross multiply. You will get sin A is equal to cos A. Then sin A upon cos A. Sin A upon cos A is equal to 1. Okay. Sin A upon cos A is tan A. So tan A is equal to 1. Now since tan 45 degree is equal to 1, yes, that will give you A is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. So trigonometrical ratio sin, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. Okay. This is the second, yes, 7th second. This is 7th second and this was 7th first. Then tan theta is equal to cot theta. Find the value of theta. Tan theta is equal to cos theta. Find the value of theta. Okay. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Find the value of theta. Then third one. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Should I give homework third one? Yes. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Find the value of theta. So tan theta is equal to cot theta. What is tan theta? Tell me. Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Reciprocal of this. Cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. So sin theta is equal to cos theta. Cot theta is equal to sin theta. So what is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. So simplify what you will get. Simplify this. Sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to, let me give this, sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. This is big question. So multiply this, cross multiply. Sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So what you will get? Simplify. What is the value of theta? Which way? Which way? Now let me check the question. 23. Okay, 23. This is which question? 23A. Okay, 23A 7th. 7th. Sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So sin square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So sin square theta I can write sin theta upon cos theta whole square is equal to 1. What is sin square theta? What is sin theta upon cos theta? Tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So that you will get tan theta is equal to square root of 1. What is square root of 1? Yes, square root of 1 is plus minus 1. Square root of 1 is plus minus 1, no? So tan theta is equal to plus minus 1. But what is the value of theta given? See, what is the value of theta? No, 1 minute, 1 minute. What is the value of theta? See the range of theta. Theta lies between 0 and 90 degree, no? Now since theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, no? So tan theta will be positive. Tan theta is positive. So out of plus minus sign we take tan theta is equal to 1. But tan of which angle is 1? Yes, tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. So that will give you theta is equal to 45 degree. Tan theta will be plus minus 1. Yes. Yes, no problem. You can, in the beginning also you can do. Tan theta is equal to cot theta, you can write 1 upon tan theta. Then directly you will get tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay? Then you can simplify. Now next fourth one, if sin x is equal to cos y, write the relation between x and y. Both the angles x and y are acute. Both the angles x and y are acute. Okay. Then fourth one. What is given fourth one? Sin x is equal to cos y. Sin x is equal to cos y. Sin x is equal to cos y. Okay. So in this you have to use the result that cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So this result you have to use. So sin x is equal to cos y. What you will write cos y? Tell me. Cos y you will write sin 90 degree minus y. So what you will get? Sin x is equal to sin 90 degree minus y. So that will give you x is equal to 90 degree minus y. So cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So you will get sin x is equal to, so that will give you x is equal to 90 degree minus y. So take y on that side, you will get x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is the relation between x and y. This is the relation between x and y. Chalo. Yes. So sin 90 degree minus y. Cos theta is sin 90 degree minus y. Cos theta. Cos theta is sin 90 degree minus y. See, we have used the result. If you see the result on page number cos theta, prove that cos theta, see this. You can verify this result. What is cos 45 degree? Tell me. What is cos 30 degree? Tell me. Let us take theta is equal to 30 degree and verify this result. Let us take theta is equal to 30 degree. So what you will get left hand side? So you will get cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. What about right hand side? Right hand side is sin 90 minus 30 degree. That will be sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So left hand side is same as right hand side. They are equal. So this result is valid. That cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Yes, without showing. In fact, we are going to study this in the complementary angle. That is why I was not using much detail in this. Chalo, next is 8th one. Sin x is equal to cos y. Sin x is equal to cos y. Then x plus y is equal to 45 degree. write true or false. Yes, write true or false. What is given? Sin x is equal to cos y. Sin x is equal to cos y. Sin x is equal to cos y. Then x plus y is equal to 45 degrees. Yes, it is false because clearly we have seen, no, if sin x is equal to cos y, then we have already derived, no my dear, sin x is equal to cos y, then x plus y was 90 degree, then x plus y was 90 degree. So answer is false. The given statement is false because in the given statement you are given x plus y as 45 degree. So this statement is false. Okay. Then second, third omitted, ninth is omitted, 10th is omitted. Do 11th one, chalo. Do 11th one. These all we are going to study in detail in the complementary angle. That cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin. Second, third are omitted, then 9th, 10th complete. 9th, 10th complete. Then 11th one. 11th one we have to do. Okay. So 11th one. 11th, which one I should do? Tell me. First or second? Let me do first. Tell me. Evaluate cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a. Cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a. Cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a upon sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a. Sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a. 2 sin 4a. 2 sin 4a, where a is given 15 degree. Where value of a is 15 degree. Where a is 15 degree. You just substitute the value of a and simplify. Substitute the value of a and simplify. Yes. So substitute the value of a. So this becomes cos 3a. 3 into 15 degree. Minus 2 cos 4a. 4a. 4 into 15 degree. Upon sin 3a. 3 into 15 degree. Plus 2 sin 4a. 4 into 15 degree. Yes, so this becomes cos 3 into 15 degrees cos 45 degree. Minus 2 cos 15 into 4 is 60 degree. Upon sin 3 into 15 degree 45 degree. Plus 2 sin 60 degree. Now put the value of cos 45, cos 60, sin 45. Yes. So cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Minus 2 cos 60 degree. Yes, what is cos 60 degree? 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Plus 2 sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Let us cancel. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So this is 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 2 minus 1 upon 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Correct? Now let us simplify. Root 2 we take the LCM. So this becomes 1 minus root 2. 1 minus root 2 upon root 2. Then this will be 1 plus root 2 into root 3, my dear. Root 2 into root 3 upon root 2. Then root 2 get cancelled. This root 2 get cancelled, root 2 get cancelled. So what is left? 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. Okay. So how will you simplify this? Tell me. You have to simplify this further, my dear. How will you simplify this? Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So what you will get? 1 minus root 2 multiply by 1 minus root 6 upon 1 plus root 6 into 1 minus root 6. Then open the bracket, 1 into 1, 1 minus root 6 minus root 2 minus into plus minus into minus plus root 2 into root 6 root 12 upon 1 square minus root 6 square. So that is 1. Now see this, root 6 and root 2 you cannot add. Yes or no? We cannot add root 6 and root 2. I have not told you that root a plus root b is not equal to root a plus b. Remember this, my dear. And root a minus root b is not equal to root a minus b. These two results, a plus b. So these two results you remember. We cannot add them. So you just simplify 1 minus root 6 minus root 2 plus root 12 upon 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. This is the answer. Or what you can do, you can simplify, you can stop there only. You can stop there only. 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. This is the final answer, because when you will rationalize, nothing gets cancelled. So you can stop there. Then second part will be homework. Second part will be homework. Okay? Second part will be homework. Now let us do 23b. Let us do 23b. A is given, B is given, find the value. Prove that. Okay. So all are same. Let me do few problems. 23b. 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 Exercise 23b. Exercise 23b. Okay. Now first one, which one I should do? Tell me. One I will do, other you will do. There are 4 exercises. So first one, A. Second and fourth. First, second. Second. Okay. A is given 60 degree. A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. Okay. Now prove that. First is homework. Prove that cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Prove that cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So now consider left hand side. My left hand side is cos A plus B. Put the value of A and B. You will get cos A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree. So you will get cos 90 degree. And what is the value of cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree is 0. Yes? Sin 90 degree is 1. Cos 90 degree is 0. So left hand side value is 0. Left hand side value is 0. Find right hand side. Left hand side value is 0. Find right hand side. Find right hand side. RHS. RHS is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A is 60 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Let us see, simplify. What is cos 60 degree? 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So multiply root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0. So my right hand side is 0. Right hand side is 0, left hand side is 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 0. Hence proof. Okay. So just substitute the value and simplify left hand side and right hand side and show that left hand side and right hand side value is 0. Chalo, let me do fourth one. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Same question. Fourth one you can do easily. Let me do second one. There are 3 parts to show in the second. So let me do second one. So remaining fourth one is homework. In second question there are 3 parts to prove. Okay. If A is 30 degree, okay. What you want? Should I prove second one? Second. If A is 30 degree, then prove that. Let me do second one. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay. You want to prove this. So there are 3 parts. So you want to prove that A is equal to B is equal to C. So first we consider cos 2A. Then what is the value of A? A is 30 degree. So you will get cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? 1 by 2. Yes, so cos 2A value is 1 by 2. Cos 2A is 1 by 2. So it is clear. Yes, first. First is homework. Second I am doing. Now you find cos. Yes, whichever I am leaving they are homework. Now find cos square A minus sin square A. Find cos square A minus sin square A value. So cos square A, that will become cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree is same as cos 30 degree whole square. You will not square the angle, you will square the whole ratio. So that will be cos 30 degree whole square. Cos 30 degree whole square minus sin 30 degree whole square. What is cos 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 square. What is root 3 square? That is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 by 4. That is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay. So finally, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A value is 1 by 2. So first we have found cos 2A. Cos 2A was 1 by 2. Cos square A minus sin square A is also 1 by 2. So we have found this value, we have found this value. Now let us find this. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Let us find this value. 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So that will be 1 plus 1 minus tan square A is 30 degree, upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So that will be 1 minus tan square 30 degree is same as tan 30 degree square upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is same as tan 30 degree square. See, in the examination, whenever it is square, you do not square the angle, you square the ratio. Okay, sin square x is not same as sin x square. Again I am telling you, my dear, just remember. Okay, so tan square x is not equal to tan x square. Okay, it is equal to tan x whole square. That you remember. Okay. Now put the value 1 minus tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3 square. 1 minus 1 by root 3 square upon 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. Let us simplify. 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. So take LCM as 3. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 upon 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 3 get cancelled. That is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So finally 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A value is also 1 by 2. So all these three are having same value, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And therefore they are equal. So you will write cos 2A, okay, cos 2A is equal to, yes, cos A cos B minus sinus, cos 2A, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. All these three are having the value 1 by 2. Hence proved. Okay. Because all these three are having the value 1 by 2. So in a similar way you will do others also. Let me do fourth one. Chalo, one more question. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Okay. Fourth one, sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Minus 4 sin cube A. You want to prove this. Okay, A is 30 degree. So find the value of sin 3A. Sin 3A is sin 3A. A is 30 degree. So 3 into 30 degree is sin 90 degree. What is sin 90 degree? 1. So sin 3A value is 1. Now find the value of 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. 4 sin cube A will be 3 sin A. 3 sin 30 degree minus 4 sin cube A is 30 degree. So this I can write 3 into sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. minus 4 sine cube 30 degree, I can write sine 30 degree whole cube, sine 30 degree whole cube. So that is 3 into 1 by 2 minus 4 into sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 half cube. Okay, so that is 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8. You can cancel 8 with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Yes, what is that? 3 by, yeah. So that will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 value is 1. Okay. So 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A, this value is also 1. So from these two you can clearly see that sine 3A value is 1, 3 sine A minus 4 sine, no need to write. You can write LHS, RHS if there are 2 terms. If there are 3 terms, then we do not write. Okay. You can write. So therefore sine 3A is equal to 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A is equal to 1. Hence proved. Okay, so all these three are having, all these two are having same value 1, and therefore it is proved. Okay, so it is 9:40, we stop here. See you in the last period. Huh? Yes? Where school is open? So far no notice has come. So far no notice has come, no? Yes?